Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I thank you all so much for stopping by. But if you see my face for the very first time, you're most welcome to this amazing platform. In this channel, I do a whole lot of hair care videos, DIYs on the right products to use on your hair and to give you that amazing super long and healthy hair. And for my returning subscribers, I'm super grateful. I thank you all so much for clicking onto this video, for watching my content, liking, sharing, and also commenting. I thank you so much. You guys don't know what you've been doing to me, but I thank God for you. I thank God for you because you are my family, and I believe together we will all grow this channel. So as you all can tell from the title, today's video will be another Chebe update. If you haven't watched the previous video on my Chebe treatment, please kindly pause this video, pause it now and go back to that video where I did the Chebe treatment from the very first week. I'll link that up in the description box, so please pause it and go back to that video so you will get along with the rest of the family members. So please stay tuned to this video, watch till the end so you will not miss out any of the steps, and you will all see my update of the Chebe treatment. Chebe has been doing wonders on my hair, I told you all, and I'm here to give you another update in order to convince you on the greatness treatment has, and you can also apply on your hair. There is no harm in trying, and trust me, your hair will love every goodness it has. So please, let's all see how my hair turned out to be in 2 weeks of Chebe updates. And I'll be washing my hair literally because I have to carry on with my hair this week. So I'll be washing off the Chebe. I told you all I will leave it for like a month, but I just did a 2 weeks update. So I will just wash it off today, and you will all see how my hair turned out to be. The amazing benefits that Chebe has given, and I'm super grateful. I'm so happy, I'm so overwhelmed. So without much said, let's get right into this video and you all will see how my hair looks like. So as of now, I'll be taking off this bonnet so you will see how the Chebe looks like. So this is my hair. I told you in the previous video, for you to keep your strands very much moisturized, you need to spray in some water on your hair for once a week. If you're letting the Chebe sit on your hair for a week, then you need to apply some water on your hair. Then your hair will be moisturized all over the week. You will not have any breakage, any kind of dryness. It will just be normal, like my hair, as you can see. So as you all can see, my hair is pretty much moisturized, and this is just how I love it to be. So I'll just go ahead and take down the thread, and you all will see how the Chebe is on my hair. It's literally very dry, and as you can see, I'll just quickly take down the thread so you all will see the outcome. At this point, once you're taking out your Chebe powder from your hair, you need to make sure you protect your floor. Like if you're doing it in the room like I'm doing right now, you need to protect the floor with a used cloth, because the powder, you don't want the powder to mess up everywhere. Yeah, so the powder is literally very dry at this moment, and it falls out pretty well. It just falls everywhere, so you need to avoid messing up the rest of your room. So you need to be careful, or better still, you do it in the washroom, or it's okay, but that's just a simple advice. So as you can see, the thickness of my hair is just so overwhelming. Like, I love the outcome of this Chebe powder. The Chebe treatment and the Chebe powder and the cacao oil is just a great deal. Give this a try and you will not regret it. This secret of hair growth has been one of my best hair care treatment for an amazing hair growth journey. So if you've been following my videos, you will see the greatness Chebe has done to my hair for just 2 weeks. And talk of if I do it for a month or two, then the growth will be so ridiculous. Like, just look at the thickness of my hair. It's just so amazing. It's just so amazing. I love every bit of it. At this point, do not comb your hair when it's dry because your hair is literally dry. So what you need to do is you just need to finger detangle just the way I'm doing in the video. Just finger detangle your hair and separate each strand from the other, so you will get to remove as much as the dry powder as possible before you wash your hair. So at this point, make sure you finger detangle properly all over your hair and try to remove as much powder as you can. So right now I will just go wash off my hair and I'll be back so you all will see how my hair looks like. I've completely washed my hair and my hair is super clean at the moment. I shampooed my hair and it's semi-dry at the moment because I need to go in with my DIY deep conditioning treatment. This deep conditioning treatment is just amazing, guys. In here I have mayonnaise, honey, raw egg, and some apple cider vinegar. So this combo is just the bomb. Like, if you use this on your hair, you will see a whole lot of difference and it's super amazing. Mayonnaise is added in protein and vitamins and fatty acids that help in keeping your strands softer, smoother, and shinier. And the fatty acid present in mayonnaise helps in providing intense moisturization to your hair strands and also making them smoother and softer. And for the honey seals in moisture in your hair, keeping it conditioned, and also reduces hair breakage and stimulates hair growth. And for raw egg, when applied on the hair, it enhances hair elasticity, it adds shine to the hair, supports hair growth, and improves hair texture. And apple cider vinegar, which I added to this DIY, it's rich in vitamin and minerals which are good for hair, like vitamin B and C, and it also has an anti-inflammatory properties which can help to prevent dandruff. So this is just so amazing when combined together. I do this deep conditioning treatment. It's literally one of the easiest and most effective deep conditioning treatment which I do on my hair. If you want to see great results on your hair, do the simple and amazing DIY deep conditioning treatment and your hair will love every goodness of it. See the length of my hair, it's super amazing, and I really love how my hair turned out to be with the amazing benefits of the Chebe powder. So once you're done applying this mixture on your hair, you have to leave it on your hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. So as you can see, I'm done applying the whole mixture to my hair. You need to also give your hair some good scalp massage and you will be good to go. Once you're done applying the deep conditioning treatment, you just have to go ahead and cover your hair with a steam cap or a plastic bag for up to 30 to 45 minutes, and you wash it off with cold water. Please do not use hot water because you do not want the raw egg to get cooked on your hair. Like, you don't want to go through that stress. So you wash off your hair with cold water, or you can further rinse it out with a conditioner. If you found this video useful, why not give it a thumbs up? Click on that red subscribe button if you haven't done so, and turn on your bell notification so you'll get notified when next I upload another amazing video. Please do let me know in the comment section below how you feel about this video, and see you all again in my next one.